Affiliate marketing is one of the smartest models online right now. You don't need your own product, you don't need a team, you don't even need a brand to start making money. But here's the truth, the big money, that's what happens when you become the one they're selling for. Not just the affiliate, but the brand itself. You build a simple, high converting offer, and then you plug in other people to promote it for you. They run the traffic, they make the content, they do the work. You just make sure the system converts and you collect your cut. And in this video, I'll show you how to set it up step by step. You don't need paid ads and you don't need a massive audience. You just need a smart system and some strategic leverage. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I release 2 videos a week to help you build an income online. Let's be real, most people who try affiliate marketing fail at it. Not because it's a bad business model. In fact, used right, it's one of the most powerful models around. They fail because they treat it like some sort of lottery ticket instead of a business. They grab some random low ticket product, drop spammy links in comment sections or Facebook groups. They make one piece of content, get 3 clicks, and then they quit when they don't see any results. They try to do it with no system, no funnel, and without building any trust. And that's exactly why it doesn't work. Now, compare that to the model I'm about to show you. You don't just promote a product, you own the platform itself. So instead of being the affiliate, you're the brand. You build one smart offer with high perceived value, then you turn your list, your followers, or even cold traffic into your personal sales force. It's the same mechanics of affiliate marketing, but flipped. Now you control the margins, you build the list, you create the compounding traffic. It's about flipping the game and stepping into the role that's faster to scale up. If affiliate marketing is the side hustle, then this is the empire building model. Now stick with me because in the next few minutes I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up from scratch, even if you've got no audience, no team, and no clue where to start. Okay, here's how we flip the script and why I call this the affiliate arbitrage model. Most people are out here pushing someone else's product for 5% to 20% commissions, while the product owner keeps the list, the back-end sales, and all of the leverage. But what if you were the owner? What if you created your own high-converting offer? Something digital, simple, and scalable. It could be a mini course, a digital product, a service bundle, or even a coaching program. Then instead of grinding out content all day and burning cash on ads, you recruit affiliates to do all of the heavy lifting for you. People in your email list, your YouTube subscribers, fellow content creators in your niche, they promote your offer for you. They drive the traffic and they close the sales, or the funnel closes it for them. You just pay them a commission. They get paid, you get paid, and unlike the traditional affiliate models, you keep the customer, you own the emails, you control the upsells, you keep the back end. That's the arbitrage. You're using other people's time, energy, and audience to grow your own brand without ever having to touch paid ads or having to do any content creation yourself. And the best part? This gets more powerful the bigger your affiliate army grows. Each new person who joins adds more reach, more sales, and more momentum without adding to your workload. You focus on one thing, building and optimizing the offer, and they focus on traffic. It's as simple as that. It becomes this quiet compounding engine. You're not chasing clients, you're not competing on price, you're building leverage, and if you set this up the right way, then hitting $500 a day, well, that's just the beginning. Okay, now that you know the what for this model, let me walk you through exactly how to set it all up, step by step. Alright, let's build this thing. This is where most people stall. They have the idea, they understand the power, but then they don't actually execute. So to make this easy, I'm going to remove all of the guesswork. This is the exact 4-step blueprint to launching your own affiliate program. Okay, start with what you already have. or what you can build quickly. This could be a mini course you've already made, or maybe an ebook or a PDF bundle, maybe even a coaching session package or a resource kit. The key here is perceived value. Don't just sell a $45 download. Stack value up like a pro. Add in bonuses, cheat sheets, behind the scenes walkthroughs. You want to make your $45 offer feel like a $450 offer. That's how you get affiliates excited to promote it. It's all about value. Someone should feel like what they got for $45 was an absolute bargain. Because if it's irresistible for the customer, then it's profitable for the affiliates. So always anchor the value. Show what it's worth before discounting. If the market sees a $450 value offered for $45, then it's an easy purchase. Okay, now let's get your back end built. There's no need for any custom code or anything like that. There's plenty of pre-built models that you can go out and use. On screen are 3 combos that stack really well. First, there's Gumroad and Rewardful. These are perfect for digital products. It's simple, it's fast, and it's beginner friendly. Then there's Shopify and GoAff Pro. These are great for physical and digital hybrid stores, and they give you a nice clean affiliate dashboard. Finally, there's Thrivecart and First Promoter. These are a bit more advanced, but they work really well if you're running funnels or high ticket offers. Once you've chosen the setup you're going with, you need to set up your affiliate dashboard, create your unique links for each affiliate, set your default commission. I recommend setting that somewhere between 30 and 50%. And finally, add a tiered reward system. For example, 10 sales equals a bonus and 25 sales equals a higher percentage. People love gamified incentives. It keeps them engaged and producing. So the better you make your affiliate program, the better your affiliates will perform. A quick pro tip for you, brand your affiliate area. Make it feel professional. A clean back end makes your whole offer feel a lot more legit. And that attracts serious affiliates. So you've got the product and the tech. Now it's time to go and sell it. You want to start with a simple funnel structure with an opt-in page for lead generation, a tripwire offer. This is a low ticket offer that converts quickly. Then your core product. This is your main $45 to $200 digital product. And finally, an optional upsell like coaching, a product bundle, or private sessions. Now here's the critical part. You want to embed your affiliate program in the funnel itself. So on the thank you page, just insert a line like, love this product, share it and earn 40% commissions, join the program here. Add it to your email sequence by dropping a call to action around day 3 or day 5, inviting them to become an affiliate. And add it to your navigation bar or your page footer. You want to make it really easy for people to find your affiliate program, because once you let your customers become your promoters, your whole setup starts compounding much faster. Now, this is where the engine really starts to turn. You don't need to have a huge audience. You just need 10 people who believe in the offer. The best place to start would be your email list, your YouTube subscribers, your Instagram followers, and any past customers, coaching clients, or collaborators. You can send out a personalized message to show them the back end, explain the payout process, then make it stupidly easy for them to get started. Provide them with swipe copies like emails, DMs, captions. Provide them with graphics like banners and thumbnails, and provide them with the funnels themselves, along with tracking links baked in. The easier you make it, the faster they'll go out and promote. And remember, these first 10 aren't just affiliates, they're force multipliers. One video from them can equal 50 leads. One email sequence can equal 10 sales. They become your outreach engine, and they get paid for doing it. So everyone wins. So that's your full setup, from product to payouts. You've built the offer, you've installed the system, you've recruited your army, and now it's up and running. It's a model I've used and it works. I'll talk you through a real world example so you can understand what this looks like in action. Okay, let's take a look at an example. Take James. He downloaded our affiliate starter pack. Then he saw an email about our affiliate marketing masterclass elite course, which includes direct coaching from me. He then joined, and after a few strategy sessions, we built something together that changed the game for him completely. James didn't just want to become an affiliate. He wanted to run the system himself. So we created his first offer, a digital product priced at $30. Nothing fancy, no big brand, just a solid value-packed product. He set up his own affiliate dashboard, he wrote his emails, he loaded up the funnel, then he recruited his first affiliates using Reddit and LinkedIn. Nothing too complicated, just smart outreach, a clear pitch, and leading with value. Always leading with value. Within 30 days, he had his affiliate system live, he had onboarded 18 affiliates, those affiliates had made 64 sales, and James banked $1,344 without sending a single promo himself. His affiliates did all the work for him. They drove the traffic, they closed the sales. All James had to do was give them the tools that they needed to go out and act as his personal sales team. That's what this model gives you. Serious leverage. A business that runs because others are incentivized to go out and grow it for you. Now, there's nothing wrong with being an affiliate. It's a brilliant business model and you can make an awful lot of money doing it. But if you want true leverage, then you need to own the program. One thing I will say though is, unlike affiliate marketing, setting up your own affiliate program is a lot more work and it will have some costs involved. But if you're willing to spend some money and put the work in, then you can build a really great business. James took that risk and he is definitely not looking back. Now imagine this. You've done the setup, you've got your digital products dialed in, your affiliate dashboard is live and the funnel's up and running. And the first batch of affiliates are out promoting for you. So what happens next? Well, next you scale up. Let's say you recruit 25 affiliates. That's not crazy at all. You can do that from your email list alone, not to mention your socials and just being active in a few online communities. Now, each of those 25 affiliates makes about 30 sales a month. At $30 a sale, with you taking 70%, that's $21 per sale. So 25 affiliates times 30 sales at $21 would earn you $15,750 every single month. Now think a few months down the line. You could easily have 50 affiliates on your program, and now you're looking at over $31,000 every single month, and you're not even having to do any of the selling yourself. No making content, no sending DMs, no paying for ads. Just you owning the product and your partners doing all of the rest. And that's just the base layer. Now imagine you add in a high ticket upsell, say a $297 course or a $997 coaching offer on the back of that $30 digital product. Even if only 10% of your buyers convert on the upsell, that's still another 1K, 3K or even 5K stacked on top. All with that same funnel, same affiliates and the same traffic. You didn't have to chase clients, you didn't have to burn out on calls, and you definitely didn't need to post 5 times a day to try and stay relevant. You built the machine and the machine runs, even while you're asleep. Now that's the leverage most people never figure out, because they're too busy playing the game, instead of owning the platform everyone else is playing on. Alright, if your brain's lighting up right now, good. Because this model isn't just clever, it's realistic. You don't need a massive team, you don't need to go viral, but you will need a little bit of startup capital and a whole lot of execution. I've already laid the groundwork out for you. You can go ahead and download my free affiliate starter pack. While it's built for actual affiliate marketing, the same funnel structure inside can be adapted to attract and onboard your own affiliates. You get a done-for-you opt-in, email sequence and lead gen system that you can rewire to build out your affiliate program fast. And look, if building your own program feels like way too much right now, but you still want to tap into a high converting system, then come and join mine. I've got a fully built affiliate program that is ready to go. You can earn up to 50% commissions promoting offers that are already proven to convert. Finally, don't forget to like and subscribe. I release 2 videos a week to help you build an income online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.